To access ebooks and EBSCO resources, you must first log into your MyGTCS account. Click on the Research tab on the navigation bar. The screen shows the two resources which are helpful to support you to do inquiry or research. The two resources are Education Hub and Education Resources, which includes access to ebooks. Scroll down to ebooks. To access ebooks through EBSCO, you need to have Adobe Digital Edition installed. Click on the link to follow instructions. There are a number of ebooks that you can take out on a lending library basis. The book returns to the library after 7 days. There are a number of areas you may wish to explore, including assessment, learning for sustainability, and many more. To access a book, click on the title. The book will open and you have three choices on the left-hand side. You can go into the full text, EPUB, or download. If you need to download an ebook, you will have to sign up for an EBSCO account.